Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. In the last video, we learned about setState method and React class components. We use setState method and state object in React class component. In this video, we will learn about useState and React functional component. useState is nothing, but useState is a React hook that allow you to add and manage state in functional components. useState hook return an array with two values, the current state and a function to update it. So let's start. First, I want to change this class component to functional component. We don't use this more. Const equal to name for your function. I want to select this name for my function, and after this I want to enter equal sign, and here I want to use props instead of arguments, and after this equal sign and greater sign. We will use arrow function here, and now we don't use state because we don't have state object and React functional component like this, and also we don't use component. Instead of this, I want to import useState hook like this. Now I want to create useState hook. Const an array with two value, name are optional for these values. I want to select name state, and the second name setState equal to useState hook, and parentheses curly braces. Inside of this I want to cut this object, person object, and move inside to useState hook. So now first I want to remove this render method because we don't have, or we cannot use render method and React functional component. Just we have return method here, and also now I want to remove this keyword from switch handler inside of button on click because we don't use this keyword in functional component. We have switch state handler, and now I want to define function. The second argument of useState hook is a function to update this state object. Switch state handler, and inside of this we don't use this. Instead of this we use setState, the second value setState, and after this I want to change name to Ahmad and also year from 24 to 44. The final step, we need to remove this keyword because we don't use class component. I want to remove this keyword. Just we have state, and we need to capital the first letter of state like state, and also state and state, and more we have same work to class component like this. We have array index 0, 1 and 2, also 0, 1 and 2 for age property. And now save this code. First I want to change this using props to function like this. Save this code and move to f.js. Remove this. First I want to import function. My function import func from person my class, and now render this component here. Save code, move to browser. Here we have my name is Hafiz. We have the output from three components, and also we have one button. I want to change this property and this property by clicking this button and functional component. We will see now. Click on this button. Okay, here we have now Ahmad instead of Hafiz, and also we changed the second year old, the second value of age. Like I want to change some other values in my class.js and change this name Muhammad. Save code, move to browser. Here we have Muhammad. So this was a useState hook in React functional component. We use setState hook in React functional component to update and add state to functional components. Thank you for watching.